Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower lace. First, select the perfect flower lace that complements your project's fabric and design. Consider the lace's weight and texture to ensure it drapes beautifully. Next, prepare your fabric by pressing it smoothly and marking where the lace will be applied. This initial planning ensures a professional and elegant finish for your creation. Once your fabric is ready, carefully pin the flower lace into position. For a secure and lasting attachment, use a small, even running stitch along the edge of the lace. If you prefer a no-sew option or need temporary placement, a thin line of fabric glue can be very effective. Ensure the glue dries completely before moving to the next step. After attaching your lace, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully trim any excess lace or loose threads to create a neat appearance. To add a touch of glamour, consider embellishing your flower lace with small beads, pearls, or sequins. Finally, gently press the finished piece with a warm iron to ensure a smooth, professional look and to set the stitches or glue. Flower lace isn't just for clothing. Try it on home decor like pillows or lampshades, or even personalized accessories such as handbags. Don't be afraid to mix different lace patterns and textures to create a truly unique and layered aesthetic. Experiment with layering lace over contrasting fabrics for a striking visual effect. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners, making your home sparkle with minimal effort. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.